Inhale, sit in comfortable position, shoulders rolled back, chest lifted up. Put your both palms on knees facing upward in Dhyana Mudra. Gently close your eyes and just observe your breathing. Inhale and exhale. Focus on your breaths. Inhale and exhale. While inhaling, observe your abdominal muscles, observe your chest muscles. With each inhalation, fill your abdomen and lungs completely with fresh air, and with each exhalation, empty your abdomen and lungs fully. Observe the movement of your abdomen, observe the movement of your chest. Inhale and exhale. We start the session with 3 rounds of Omkar chanting. Inhale. With exhalation, chant Omkar. Observe your breathing. Join your palms together for Patanjali Stavan. Yogena chittasya padena vacha manam sharirasya cha vaidyakena yopakarotam pravaram muninam Patanjalim pranjalidanatosmin. Rub your palms together. Put your palms on closed eyes. Feel the warm sensation. First, drop your neck down. Slowly open your eyes inside your palm and slowly put your palms down by massaging your face and body. Look straight towards the ground and slowly look up straight to your eye level. Okay? Very first, Sarvangasana. Sarvangasana is a shoulder stand position. As its name says itself, that Sarvang means all body postures are involved for doing this asana. Okay, so before going to Sarvangasana, the Sukshma is most important. Warm up of all body parts, all body joints is most important. So we do some warm up exercise which help to get into the Sarvangasana. Okay, so very first with shoulder movement, just keep your both palms on your knees and just rotate your shoulders. 5 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Lift your both hands to shoulder level. Inhale. As you exhale, twist towards the right. With your left hand, hold your right knee and right hand over your ear. Stretch your torso. Stretch your body. Keep pressing your hips down. 3, 2, 1. With inhalation, come to the center position. Now as you exhale, twist towards the left. With right hand, hold the knee and left hand over your ear. Breathe. 3, 2, 1. With inhalation, come up and again stretch towards the shoulder level. Now, keep your hands in front of you, interlock your fingers, turn your palms outward. With inhalation, lift your hands upward, facing towards the ceiling. Keep your chin slightly lifted. Keep breathing. 3, 2, 1. As you exhale, slowly place your hand down in front of you. Turn your palms inward, release your fingers and put your hands on your knees. Okay. Then next, spread your legs forward, stretch your leg. We do Janu Shirshasana for giving the stretch to our legs. Bend your right knee, right heel touching to the perineum and right toe touching to the left inner thigh. Inhale, lift your both hands up. As you exhale, bend forward, keep looking forward. Shoulders broad, chest lifted. We are doing just to give stretch to our leg. We are not doing proper asana, complete final position of Janu Shirshasana. So be there. Keep looking forward. 3, 2, 1. With inhalation, come up. As you exhale, put your hand down. Now stretch your right leg forward. Bend your left knee. Inhale, lift your both hands up. Exhale, keep looking forward without dropping your chin. Just look forward. Be there. 3, 2, 1. With inhalation, come up. As you exhale, put your hand down. Now we do Paschimottanasana. Both legs stretch. Give the shoulder level distance between your toes. We are doing all these asanas for beginners. So we are not doing the final positions. Okay. Inhale, lift your both hands up. And as you exhale, keep looking forward and bend forward. Hold your toes, big toe. Okay. Inhale, keep your shoulders broad, chest lifted up and look forward. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come up. As you exhale, slowly put your hand down. Okay. Now we do spinal twist. Bend your both legs to right side. Place your right ankle near to right buttock. Place your left toe in front of your right knee. Okay, like this. Inhale. Place your left hand behind your back. Lift your right hand up. Stretch your torso. As you exhale, twist completely towards left side. With right hand, hold your left toe and twist. This is called Bharadwajasana. Hold there. 3, 2, 1. With inhalation, come up. Center position. As you exhale, put your hand down. Stretch your leg forward. Now bend your both knees to left side. Okay. Left ankle touching to your left buttock. Okay, and right toe touching to your left inner part of knee or thigh. Inhale, place your right hand behind your back first. Lift your left hand up. Stretch your hand. Inhale. As you exhale, twist first. And then place your left hand on right knee. Be there. Breathe. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, slowly come to the center position, lift your left hand up and as you exhale, put your hand down. Okay, now stretch your leg forward. Join your soles together, interlock your fingers, hold your toe, pull your heels near to your pelvis and do the butterfly. Sit on your sitting bones, keep your spine straight, chin lifted up and just flap your knees to relax your hips, inner thighs, lower back. Breathe. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Slowly stretch your leg forward. Now we perform the Sarvangasana. Before performing Sarvangasana, I would like to tell about the contraindication of Sarvangasana. So, whoever have ENT problem, ears, eyes, throat problem, injury in throat, they should avoid Sarvangasana. If you have any kind of injury to your neck, shoulder area, avoid Sarvangasana. If you have lower back problem, abdominal surgery, so please avoid doing Sarvangasana. Hernia patient, high BP problem, cardiac patient, please avoid this. Okay, so let's start with the Sarvangasana. Very first, Sarvangasana is the shoulder stand. Okay, so you have to keep your shoulder and neck area in safe position. So you can take a cushion pillow, or you can take a folded blanket. Then first we learn the Sarvangasana with the support of wall. So how we do? Just place your pillow near to the wall. Okay, and how you sit near to your wall? Your side body is completely touching to the wall. Okay, then place your leg on the wall. Okay, if you find that your neck is going down, your neck is placing on the pillow, just you have to place your pillow slightly down near to the wall. Your neck should be down, your shoulder should be on the pillow. Okay. Now, with inhalation, bend your both knee, inhale, and lift your hip up. When you lift your hip up, support your lower back with your both. Walk upwards with the support of the elbows near to your body, and press your hip upward. Press your hip upward towards the chin, like this. Okay. It gives nice stretch to your spine, and because you're keeping the folded blanket under your shoulder, so it support your neck. It keep your neck elongated. Now, how you raise your legs? Very first, on the wall, put your big toes, and then lift your one leg up. Hold it. Keep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fold your leg, again sit on the wall and that leg. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly put leg down. Slowly place your hips down. Very slow. Keep your leg stretched on the wall. Okay. This will really bring it relaxation to your lower back. So just rest here. Breathe. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Okay. Fold your leg again and turn to right side or left side and to sitting. So, like this, you can do Sarvangasana with the wall support. Okay. Next, we take help of chair for Sarvangasana. So place chair against the wall. Place the chair against the wall. ताकि ये slide ना हो. Okay. Make sure that your chair should not slide backward. So better place the chair against the wall. Okay. So you can take help of here also. You have to lie down like that. You are going for the Halasana step. So just for कितना distance आपका and chair बीच में होना चाहिए. Your legs should be on. Okay. Inhale for beginner level. We are not lifting up. Inhale and come to the Halasana. Come to the Halasana like this. Okay. Come here with your palm and press your back towards the chin. आपकी ये बॉडी अलाइनमेंट परफेक्ट होने के लिए हम ये सारी चीजें कर रहे हैं. Okay. From here, lift your one leg up. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly put leg down. Opposite side. Lift. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then slowly both ways up. Gradually it will help. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly lay down, kneel on the chair. Bend your knee. Hold your mat and pull down. Stretch your leg and exhale, put your leg down. Okay. So this is the one variation or one technique to do Sarvangasana. Okay, with the chair. So these are the techniques in which you can perform the Sarvangasana. You can get the perfection in Sarvangasana. What when initially when we do Sarvangasana, our hips are not lifting that much. Okay, and the alignment of our spine. Alignment. What is the alignment of spine in a Sarvangasana position? It should be perpendicular to your chin के just एक लाइन में आपका spine आना चाहिए. Okay, so that is the problem. हम अपने spine को उतना lift नहीं दे पाते हैं. We can't take spine completely perpendicular. So for this, we get the ball and we can take the support and we can take the chair support for getting that alignment for our spine. Okay, so with these two props, chair and wall, you can perform the Sarvangasana. Now next, I am going to show you some variation of Sarvangasana. I would request you all, you are performing with me, so please take good care of your body, listen to your body and do as much your body is allowing you. Okay, avoid giving exertion, avoid any kind of dirty movement. Okay, जितना आपको लगता है, जितनी आपकी कैपेसिटी है, आप उतना ही मेरे साथ परफॉर्म करेंगे. अगर आपको लगता है कि आपका बॉडी नहीं अलाउ, do it. Okay, so we are going to see some variations for Sarvangasana. So for Sarvangasana, lie down on your back. Keep your leg straight. With inhalation, you have to lift your both legs up. Okay, if you don't have that much, so what you can do, you can just fold your leg and then lift. So you can do this also. Stretch. Stretch your spine forward. Hold here. Breathe. Inhale and exhale. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, we can do Prasarit Sarvangasana. Prasarit Sarvangasana. Spread your leg. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, with inhalation, both together. Now we do 8 parts Sarvangasana. So bend your knee. Try to touch your knee to your head. 3, 2, 1.
Then spread your leg backward. Toe, big toe on the ground. 5, 4, 3, 2. Bend your knee and stretch it. Now, left side. Left leg, forehead touch. 3, 1. Inhale. Leg backward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold your knee and stretch your leg. Okay. Next variation we do Padmapad, Sarvangasana. So first fold your right toe, place your right toe on the hold your left leg and place your left toe on the right and do this. Padmasana leg position and Sarvangasana. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fold your leg towards your forehead. Be there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now slowly knees को अपने face के पास लेंगे. Slowly control over your body and place your body down. Okay. Now place your both hands on your knees and slowly put your knee down, down, completely on the floor. Okay, feel the stretch. Now with inhalation, lift your both hands upward over your head. Breathe. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Inhale and exhale. Why we are doing this? Because it will give the nice stretch and relaxation to our spine and legs. Inhale and exhale. Now for countering our Sarvangasana, Padmasana हमारा पैर है, Padmapad में हम मत्स्यासन करेंगे. Okay? So place both palms near to your ears, finger pointing towards your body. Inhale, lift your upper body and place your crown down the ground. Now hands and hold your big toes together. Hold this. Keep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Place your both palms near to your ears and down. Again, stretch your hands upward. Stretch your body. Breathe. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now slowly put your hands down. One by one, stretch. Okay. Relaxing our spine. We do some relaxing asanas. So for that, inhale, lift your both legs up, bend your knee towards the chest and hold your chest. Press your thighs over your abdomen. We are not lifting our upper body, so it is not the Pavan Muktasan. Just try to feel the lower back, completely pressing on the ground. Breathe. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now hold your knees, your palms. Keep touching the knees together, keep touching the toes together. And rotate your both knees. Right 3 times. Right to left. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now left, right. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Okay. Now rotate both the knees opposite. Out to in. One. Out to in. Two. Feel the relaxation to the back. Three. Two out. One. Two. And three. Now hold big toes together and stretch your leg upward. If you are not able to hold big toes, you just hold your calf muscles and just stretch your leg upward. Breathe. Inhale and exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend your knee together. Join your soles together. Konasana here, same way. Supta Konasana. Just press your ankles towards the pelvis and press your knees. Body. Press. Feel the complete pressing, complete merging of your lower back. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly, both these together. Place your toe down. Keep them touching to each other. Lift your both hands to shoulder level. Inhale. And as you exhale, drop your both knees to right side and neck opposite. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With inhalation, come to the center and exhale. Knees to left and neck opposite. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With inhalation, slowly come to the center position. Okay. From here, you can turn right side and come up to sitting position. But I would suggest that turn around, do Nakarasana. Relax first. Breathe. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Then place both palms near your chest. Do the bhujang. Hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn toe inside. Come up to downward facing Parvatasana. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Place your knee down. Touch your toes together. Eyes on your knees, on the ankles and the Balasana. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very slowly come to the sit position, Vajrasana. Okay, sit straight, back straight, shoulders broad, chest lifted up. Breathe, inhale and exhale. Deepen your breath, close your eyes. Place your both palms on your thighs, close your eyes. Inhale and exhale. Breathe. Focus on your breathing. Inhale and exhale. Just let your spine be relaxed, let your legs be relaxed, hip be relaxed. Inhale and exhale. Join your palms, the end position with Shanti Mantra. Sahana Vavatu Sahana Bhavatu Sahavi
कर्वावहे तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति. Slowly lift your both hands upward. Inhale, exhale, go forward. Pay your gratitude to Mother Earth, Mother Nature. Pray for all humankind, wellness, well-being, happiness, and good health. Pray for positivity around you. Pray for positivity for our body and mind. And with inhalation, come up. As you exhale, put your hands down in Navara Mudra. Rub your palms together. Put your palms on those dice. Feel the palm sensation. Slowly open your eyes inside your palm. And slowly put your palms down by massaging your face and first look down towards the ground. And then slowly open your legs. Straighten your eyes. Okay? Namaste all of you. Hope this session will help you to perform Sarvangasana without any injury. Thank you. Sir, I'm not able to hear you. Hello? Am I audible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम सर
Yes,
आपका
yes.
वॉइस नहीं आ रहा है सर
हाँ, sir, you are not audible.
म्यूट
Sir is talking.
ओके सर बाय बोल रहे सर
Okay, okay. I would suggest all of you that don't try without practice. Okay? जो भी मैंने बताया अभी वेरिएशन वो घर पे पहले आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है. सिंपल जो सर्वांगासन है उसमें एटलीस्ट 30 सेकंड तक आपको होल्ड करने की कैपेसिटी होनी चाहिए. उसके बाद ही आप वेरिएशन पे ध्यान दो. ओके?
Yeah,
यस
ma'am, I must say it was a wonderful session, and what a flexibility you have. I have seen you first time after lockdown. Awesome, Bhavna here though.
इन्होंने आज ज्वाइन किया है ना इन्होंने आज ज्वाइन किया है ना इन्होंने आज ज्वाइन
I think
यस सर